This topic is on equation of circle. We have 3 questions. We are going to look at all 3 of them. Question 1. A circle has an equation of x squared plus y squared is 18. A tangent AB touches a circle at point R and intersects the x-axis at S. That's the R, that's the S. R has a coordinate, x coordinate of 3. So that's the x coordinate. Work out the area of the triangle ORS. So let's join that. That's the radius. That's ORS. So to find the area, we need to know area of triangle is half times base times height. We need to know the height, which is the y coordinate. If we find the y coordinate, we can find the height, and base is the length of that. So we need to find this point as well. So first thing what we're going to do, we're going to find the y coordinate at R. So what we'll do is we'll use this equation, x squared plus y squared is 18. At point R, x is 3, so it's 3 squared plus y squared is 18. Therefore, y squared is equal to 18 take away 9, which is 9. Therefore, y is square root of 9, which is 3. So we know this is 3 now. So we can find the tangent of OR, which will help us to, we can find the gradient of the OR, which will help us to find the gradient of the tangent. So let's work out the gradient of OR. Change in y over change in x, 3 over 3, which is 1. Therefore, the gradient of the tangent, RS, minus 1. Now what we're going to do, we know the gradient, so what we could do is at point R, because we have got both the coordinates for point R, 3 and 3, we can find the y-intercept, which will help us to find the coordinate at x coordinate at S. So we're going to use y is equal to mx plus c at point R. So y is 3, m is minus 1, x is 3 plus c. Therefore, c is 3 plus 3, which is 6. So we worked out this is 6. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use the y is equal to mx plus c equation to find the x coordinate at S. So for at point S, we know y is 0. So we will use that y is 0, m is minus 1. We don't know x, but we know the c is 6. Therefore, x is 6. So now we know this is 6. Now we can find the area of the triangle. Half times base we know is 6 now, that is 6, times the height, we know this is the height, which is 3, which is actually 9 units. That's question 1. Let's go to question 2. Question 2. A circle has an equation of x squared plus y squared is 24. The line AC is tangent to the circle and it meets the circle at point B. So let's draw that. So that's B. The coordinate of points B is given 3 and 5. So this is 5, this is 3, This is 5. This is the radius. So we can find the gradient of OB is change in y over change in x. Y is 5, x is 3, 5 over 3. Therefore, we can find the gradient of the this is S. The gradient of the tangent is minus 3 over 5. Now all we have to do is we have to find the coordinate of that. To find the coordinate of that, we have to find the y-intercept. We can find the y-intercept because we know the coordinates at B. So let's use the coordinate at B. At point B, we are going to use the equation y is equal to mx plus c. Y is 5, m is minus 3 over 5, x is 3 plus c. So the c will be 5 plus 9 over 5. So that's 25 plus 9, 34 over 5. Now we can use this c to find the coordinate at C, coordinate at S. So at point S, we are going to use y is equal to mx plus c again. We know at point S, y is 0. So 0 is equal to m we already know, minus 3 over 5. That's the m of the tangent. Times x we don't know, but we know the c is 34 over 5. So that means we can bring this to this side. That become 35x is equal to 34 over 5. Therefore 3x is 34. Therefore x is 34 over 3. The question is asking you to work out the coordinate of point S. So the coordinate of point S is (34.3) y is 0. That's what the answer is. Let's go to question 3. A circle with a center O has a tangent and it meets the circle at the point R 5 and 7. Again, let's do that. So that is R, that is 5 and 7. Find the equation of the tangent. To find the equation of the tangent, we need to find the gradient of this. We need to find the y-intercept as well. So to do that, we have to do the same thing. This is 5. This is 7. That's the radius. We can find the gradient of OR, which is the radius. Change in y over change in S, 7 over 5. Therefore, the gradient of the tangent would be minus 5 over 7. So now we can use that to find the y-intercept. So at point R, we are going to use y is equal to mx plus c. Y is 7, m is minus 5 over 7, x is 5 plus c. Therefore, C is equal to 7 plus 25 over 7, which is 49 plus 25, 14, 74 over 7. That is the C. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find the coordinate at S. So that's the S. Let's mark that as S. But this question doesn't ask the coordinate. It's only asking for the equation anyway. So we just have to find the equation. So equation is now done. Y is equal to M is minus 5 over 7 x plus 74 over 7. So that is the equation. Next question. So this will be one more question. It's 4 questions altogether. The diagram shows a circle with the center O. Tangent meets the circle at the point 4 and 6. That's B, 4 and 6. Work out the equation of the tangent in the form of ax plus by is c and abc are integers. Similar to the question that we did earlier, question 3. But we need to do one more extra working on this. So this is 4, this is 6. That's the gradient. So we're going to find, that's the radius, we're going to find the gradient. Gradient is equal to gradient of OB. OB is 6 over 4. Therefore, the gradient of the tangent is minus 4 over 6. Now we need to find the C. So at point B, we have to use y is equal to mx plus c. Y is 6. M is minus 4 over 6. X is 4 plus c. So that gives you 6 plus 16 over 6 is equal to c. So we can simplify that. 6 plus 8 over 3 is equal to c. So therefore c is 26 over 3. Now we got the equation now. Y is equal to m is minus 4 over 6 x plus 26 over 3. We need to make it in this format here. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply the equation by 6, the whole equation by 6 to get rid of the 6 at the bottom. So that makes 6y is equal to minus 4x plus 52. Because if you multiply by this 6, you can cancel it, 52. So you can rearrange it, 6y plus 4x is 52. So going back to the question again, is in the same format. Ax plus by is c. A is 6. A is 6. B is 4. C is 52. So this is the end of the section.